Welcome back to Vintage King Motorsports. We're taking a look now at a older Stihl 025 in great shape. Wonderful saw for the backyard, the camp, or a spare for the serious woodsman. A very nice, complete, good running saw. It is fully functional. The chain does oil correctly with no issues. What's that you say? Start it? Oh, you know we're going to start it. Little throttle, huh? Starts very easily, it idles well, the oiler does work. A really nice vintage chainsaw for your personal collection or the backyard or the serious woodsman. You can buy this right now for the affordable price of only $179.99 plus shipping. That's right, $179.99 plus shipping. Buys this nice saw right now, puts it on your doorstep extremely fast. Click on the link below for pictures and details or how to buy this saw right now at a price that's unbeatable. Don't hesitate, act now, because when it's gone, and it won't be in your garage. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.